Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Now students, today we are going to discuss a somewhat different type of question but the same chapter linear equation in two variables, and today we are going to find, suppose there is any equation in which apart from the variable there are some more unknown values. Like here I have taken a question of exercise 3.5, question number 2, second part, and the question says, for which value of k will the following linear equations have no solution? So like here in these two equations it is clearly given that these two equations have no solution in common. So it is a case of no solution and you have to find the value of this k. What will be the value of k so that these two equations will give us the answer as no solution. So solving these two equations we cannot use algebraic method, but we have to use the graphical method which we have already done. So there were three graphical methods. One result, the first result was for unique solution, second one was for many solution, and third one for the no solution. So what was the condition? So if you want to start the solution, so very first in the question it is given that the equations have no solution since the equations have no solution, so now you need to find what was the condition of no solution according to graphical method, and the condition was a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. This was our condition for the pair of linear equation which has no solution, right? So solving it up here, we will use this condition of no solution and we will proceed further to find the value of k. So students, the condition is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2 for no solution. But as you all must be aware that whenever we use graphical method to solve the questions, to solve the values, we need to write the equations in the standard form. So what is the standard form of any linear equation? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So very first let us write these two equations in the standard form and then we will proceed further with the solution. So standard form for equation 1. So you can write 3x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. This is our first equation in standard form. So these are our equations. So our equations are 3x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. Similarly, our second equation is 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1 y minus 2k plus 1 equals to 0. So now I have written both the equations in the standard form, and now let us apply the equating of the ratios here. So now a1 upon a2, if I write it in this format, a1 means 3 upon 2k minus 1. So it is 3 upon 2k minus 1 equals to, next b1 which is 1 upon k minus 1 and then equals to c1 upon c2 which is not equal to basically. So now it is minus 1 upon minus 2k plus 1. Here minus and minus simplified up. Now what we have to find is the value of k. In the next step you can just write it in this more easier manner. 3 upon 2k minus 1 equals to 1 upon k minus 1 not equals to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Now As you know that in the question it is said that what value of k, means we need to find the value of k. So we will not take this case of not equals to. We will just remove this case of not equals to, and let us equate the first two ratio of a1 upon a2 with b1 upon b2. Solving these two, you will get 3 multiplied by k minus 1 and then 1 multiplied with 2k minus 1. So we cross multiplied the value, 3 with k minus 1 and 2k minus 1 with 1. In the next step it will become 3k minus 3 equals to 2k minus 1. Shift the value of 2k this side and minus 3 to the right hand side. So in the next step it will become, the value will become 3k minus 2k equals to minus 1 plus 3. What is 3k minus 2k? It is k equals to minus 1 plus 3. Answer is 2. So this is the value of k for which our equation will have no solution. So for k equals to 2, the k is equals to 2, the given equations have no solution. This is how you can find any unknown value by using the graphical method. There can be any such values. It can be a, b, p, q, value of k. There are many lot of questions related to this particular method. So I hope this method is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson.